In 2022, many countries came forward with announcements to build smart cities. Some of these new ideas are almost difficult to fathom as they seem unrealistic. Nevertheless, these nations are determined to see these projects through, and construction work has already begun on many future smart cities. Spain has announced to the world that it is building Europe's first intelligent city. This sustainable project is being built from scratch and will be powered by solar energy. Billed as a tourist destination, the city will have its own high-speed train station, Disney-style theme park, a 40,000-seat football stadium, several resorts, and so much more. The project expects to draw 4.5 million visitors during its first year in business. This proposed city is called Elysium City, and it is a creation of former Walt Disney executive John Cora. What's interesting is that this city is not being built by Spain's government, but by a developer from California. US-based international theme park resort and tourism development company Cora Alpha is responsible for the complete funding, development, and management of this project. The city will be located in Castilblanco in Extremadura. Spain was actually one of the locations the company was looking at for its Euro Disney resort, which ended up as Disneyland Paris in France. According to Cora, this location in Spain was picked because the weather is conducive like Southern California, and it's at a spectacular location sitting on a hill, part of which overlooks the entire river, located just an hour and a half by car from Madrid. Elysium City will have a total of 1,300 hectares of land and a buildable ceiling of a total of 5 million square meters. It is a strategic place in the middle of nature, which is located halfway between Madrid, Portugal, and Seville, and which will attract the interest of multiple different territories. The project ensures a city that protects the environment and that is sustainable with the environment. In fact, the city will generate its own energy through photovoltaic panels, and only electric vehicles will be allowed inside. Cora Global has already received approval from the Extremadura government to carry out the project. The 1,300-hectare site foreseen for the project has already been purchased. The city will be developed around a river that sits in the municipality, and it will be completed in 2 different phases. The first phase, that would take around 3.5 years to build, is scheduled to launch in 2023 at a cost of $3.5 billion. The second phase is due to launch in 2028. By the end of it all, the project may easily cost $20 billion or more to complete. Developers say Elysium will focus on design, construction, and operations that promote sustainability, efficiency, and quality of life. This city is the first major smart sustainable city in Europe, and it will be built in accordance with the 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations. The first phase of the project will include 4 hotels with casinos, a water park and Disney-style theme park, high-speed train station, retail, dining, and entertainment spaces, along with the 18-hole golf course, a 40,000-seater sports stadium, data center, and other city services. Up to 2,000 residential units are planned under the second phase. The surrounding landscape will be transformed into bike paths and nature trails, and a marina will take advantage of the Garcia Sola Reservoir. The second phase, due to launch in 2028, will see more luxury hotels, an equestrian center, and a Formula One racetrack added to the development. Before we continue, if you would like to learn more about billion-dollar construction projects around the world, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Although Elysium City is much focused on sustainability, it is also heavily fixated on advanced technology. The city will run on free gigabit speed Wi-Fi with 5G signals across the city. This will allow those in its perimeters to access high-speed connections and download movies to their phones in as little as 10 seconds. Residents and visitors will find free and citywide ultra-high-speed Wi-Fi, with the option to create profiles and input information like favorite activities or preferred dining venues to play a role in future city development. In addition, users can get regular updates on events and meetings and connect directly to the city government to report issues, give feedback, and fill out permits. Elysium City will feature solar-powered smart street infrastructure, smart light poles, and bus shelters. Smart kiosks will also be found throughout the city that provide real-time transportation schedules, weather forecasts, and warnings. Being within a smart city, the theme park will include technology to limit wait times for guests and a possible passenger drone system attraction. A key feature of Elysium City is its unique water park. Straying away from the yellow and red fiberglass commonly found in water parks today, the city's water adventure park will utilize heavy landscaping and rockwork and incorporate the area's natural environment to create adventure activities like mountain biking, hiking, and bungee jumping. Within this city, a proposal was also put forward to build a brand new airport, but those plans have been put on hold as of today. If built, this project is going to be a tremendous boost to the economy of Spain. It is estimated that the city will create more than 50,000 jobs, which will go directly to the residents of Extremadura, since the city will be designed by and for the territory where it will be located. In fact, one of the main elements of the project is respect for the territory where the project is going to be built. The city is not just a leisure project, but a lifestyle that will have its own university and hospital among other facilities. Evidently, tourism will be boosted in Spain with this project, which will have multiple entertainment options for its visitors. In John Cora's words, Elysium City will be a place where you live, you work, and you play. In the past few years, several announcements about the building of smart cities were reported from many countries around the world. But they have been criticized for overpromising and failing to turn rendered designs into real-life expectations. Yet, so many countries such as China, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and Egypt have recently invested billions of dollars into smart city megaprojects with hopes of bringing these ultimate visions to life. As these plans are well underway, and as technology is rapidly advancing, Spain's Elysium City could soon become a reality under the right circumstances. But here's the problem: news about the new city broke out in 2019, and since then there have not been many updates about it. According to earlier reports, Cora Alpha had been focusing on refining the feasibility plans, financial projections, and funding for the project. This is especially in regard to the environmental components of the Castilblanco region. There is an emphasis on the environmental planning and sustainability impact. This will ensure that Elysium City preserves the beauty and heritage of the region. But of course, the COVID pandemic that ensued might have affected the large-scale plans. The first phase of the city is supposed to be completed in 2023, but as of today, there is nothing much being said about Elysium City. In fact, many residents in Spain have not yet heard about this fantastical city. Therefore, it is highly possible that this megaproject is just a utopian idea that would never get built. While Elysium City is only primarily meant as a tourist destination, it will spark other similar environmentally friendly projects in cities across the world, and this could be the future towards which we are all headed. What are your thoughts on this megaproject? Do you think Elysium City will ever get built? Leave your comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.